Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're grilling up some peanut butter chicken thighs at the pit, and it's real easy to do. Now, if you've never had peanut butter chicken thighs, you definitely got to check this out. This is some real good eating at the pit, especially if you like peanut butter. All right, for this recipe, we're starting out with 2 cups of creamy style peanut butter. And to the bowl, we're adding 1/3 cup soy sauce, 1/2 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes, 1/3 cup brown sugar, 2 tablespoons cider vinegar, a juice of 1 lemon. Whoa, yeah. Now, this recipe will work for at least 12 chicken thighs, more or less, all right? All right, lemon's in there. And we're going to add some honey, about 1/4 cup of honey. Whoa, this is going to be sweet, all right? And be sure to remove the lemon seeds out there if they get in your way. You don't want to trigger the food cops. Now we're going to mix it up real good. Whoa, man. And here we're adding some fresh ground black peppercorn, about a teaspoon or so, all right? Gotta have the pepper in the chicken. And like I said, give it a good mix. Whoa, this is gonna be good. Man. And if you don't have some chicken, just make up some toast. Now we're using about 12 bone-in chicken thighs, and you just need to trim them up a bit, get some of that excess skin and fat off there. All right, these are ready to go. Now, there's only one way to do this. Use your fingers. And to heck with the gloves. Use your fingers, right? And you're going to take that peanut butter mud and you're going to rub it all over. Under the skin as well, right? Oh, yeah. Get a good look. This is the way you do it. Now, you just might have the food police coming in here, pissing and moaning. Just ignore them. Tell them to go away. This is the way you do it. Get that peanut butter all over your hands. All right, let's put them on the grill. We're using our Santa Corona here. You can use your kettle grill or whatever grill you got. And we're going to cook over kind of a medium heat, or at least low to medium heat. There's no reason to cook these real fast. Especially you got all that peanut butter on there. You don't want to burn them. And if you're using a kettle, just do it indirect. And you better make a bunch of these. They're going to go real quick. Now we'll just raise the grate a bit so we can keep mellow heat going on. While we're waiting, we'll just kick back. Relax. That's what it's all about, right? Now, you got to check on your chicken thighs. These are coming along perfect. All right. Hey, maybe 20 minutes has gone by or so. And I think we're going to flip these. Now, you want to cook these to an internal temperature of about 160 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. These are ready to turn. We're about halfway through. Oh, can you smell that? It smells good. And if you can't, you're on the wrong channel, right? You've heard us say that before. You have no business being here. All right, they're looking good. And in a miracle of time, these peanut butter chicken thighs are done. It's time to pull them off the grill. We're gonna be eating good tonight, Martha, right? You haven't seen Martha in a while. I don't know what's up. All right, now you can serve these up any way you want. Just off a plate is perfect. But if you insist, add some rice, whatever. And of course, we do apologize for eating in front of you like this. but we call this Pitmaster privilege. So the next time you're looking for a barbecue or grilling recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.